going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Happy Saturday. Hope everyone's well. Hope you guys all had a great Friday night, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Let's watch some court. Got 2 clips from Judge Washington, 2 shorter clips, and we've got some entitlement. Got a lot of attitude, and yeah. All right, before I hit that play button, you already know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe to your jump kick back clips. Let's go.
The court will call the matter of Ypsilanti Township versus Diane Johnson, case number 23W004746A.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Diane Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Diane Johnson.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Diane Johnson.
Morning.
Miss Diane Johnson is valid, so congratulations, Miss Johnson. I think she was valid. She was valid last time she was here too, so I'm not sure why we didn't get it resolved.
I believe it's because Ms. Johnson is contesting the jurisdiction of where this happened.
Place, because we had a resolution in play. So where are we with that?
We did get a copy of the ticket. It does state Ypsilanti Township. Mr. Barnett, you said that you would not dismiss this. There would be an impeding traffic 0 points. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's it. That is correct. That's the offer.
Ms. Johnson, you do not wish to take advantage of that offer. Is that correct?
I just feel like this should be dismissed. Why are we doing impeding? I don't understand this ticket at all. Like, I don't understand it. I got pulled over for no license. I have my license. He's saying impeding. I wasn't impeding. I figured you guys would pull the traffic ticket. I don't
What he's doing is reducing the ticket. So our choice is, I believe you said earlier that Mr. Barnett, is there a body worn camera? Do you know?
I mean, I would have to look into that. I just pulled the ticket.
See, that's
There's,
what I thought.
there's no report. So they just wrote a citation. I can explore whether there's a body camera as well.
She would like to see if there is a camera showing where the address took place.
I was pulled
Right,
over.
so let me explain a couple of things. If at the time that you were
All right, so we got a little taste of what's going on. She had a license, or she has a license, and she didn't have it on her at the time, so she got cited for not having a license. You'll find out here in a second, but she said she was in her driveway, I think. So she's not happy. She thinks the whole thing should be thrown out. But drop to an impeding. I mean, that's a good deal, 0 points. But I mean, she doesn't feel like she has to pay the fine. She's not happy about it, as you're going to soon find out.
pulled over, you did not have a valid license. You are not entitled to have this reduced to anything just because you get your license afterwards. That is a courtesy, not an entitlement. So once you are pulled over, if you don't have a valid license, you're guilty of the offense, the misdemeanor. If you're challenging the jurisdiction, meaning that it was not within the jurisdiction of Ypsilanti Township, that is a completely separate issue, and that is something that can be contested. But as far as you getting a license afterwards, does not entitle you.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
anything in
Just
that.
pause the video out of nowhere. And apparently I did it again.
Mr. Barnett just simply gives that as an option. So, having said all,
I'm not to interrupt, but when I got the ticket, whoever I spoke with, she said I could have went to the court to show my license.
that's not how that works, unless you had license at that time. And if you're saying you had license at that time, that would be a completely separate issue.
What do you mean at that time? Like as far as being valid?
Correct.
Yeah, I have. My license are valid. I don't understand.
I know they're valid now, The question.
No, they were valid. They were valid then, ma'am. They were, like I said, when he pulled me over, I was literally in front of my house. I have 3 cars. My license was in my driveway. I was in front of my house.
So this
Literally.
is a no ops on person. This is what this started out with. You did not have your license on your person.
Okay.
So that's the charge.
But I have license, and then we proven that I had them, and then they dismissed it last time, and then it went to the fact of
No, they did not.
road.
They never dismissed it.
That's what they said, that they would dismiss it.
Okay. All right.
Like I'm saying, I have license. So what are we doing here? I have my license. I showed I have license. We have proof of that. They are valid. So I just want this to be done. Like I said, I have a CCW case that I'm dealing with. I got a lot going on.
Ms. Johnson, as I told you, we can either ask for the body worn camera or set this matter for trial.
What is going to happen when we do a trial? Like, I have my license.
Miss Johnson.
Can we get a breakout room so I can speak to her?
Ms.
So I can get a little bit of
understanding? Miss Johnson, you need to stop talking like that. Do you understand?
I don't, ma'am. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
If you don't understand what's going to happen next, is I'm going to bring you in court, and I hope you don't understand that.
Can I speak to my prosecutor? Is that possible?
No, first of all, you don't have a prosecutor. Secondly, what I just said to you is you need to stop acting like that. Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, what I said to you before is this is not a not valid license case. This is a no ops on person.
Right.
You either are going to want a trial today, or we're going to continue down the road of determining whether or not this was in the proper jurisdiction. Which one do you want?
Well, like I said, I don't understand. What do you mean by a trial? And she said that's not my prosecutor or somebody. She said she's supposed to help me out. So I'm
going to set this for a final settlement conference on April the 25th, 2024.
I won't be in town, ma'am. I
Right.
won't be in town. I have a flight, actually. So is there a way we could do it quicker than that?
No, ma'am, that is the date. April 25th at 11 a.m. with the jury selection on May 3rd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
Yeah, I understand why she's upset, but again, you need to calm down a little bit. You need to talk to your defense attorney. She misspoke. She meant her attorney, and she said prosecutor. I don't know why Judge Washington didn't pick up on that, but yeah. Come on, Sandra Wright, step in. Stop talking. Stop letting her talk. Go to a breakout room. Explain it. Those are the steps.
So what's next? What is going on? Are they going to define the body camera or what? So I can have. So do I need to get a lawyer for this? Like, what's going on? I don't understand this.
I'm done. Call your lawyer. Have a good day.
Who is the lawyer?
I am your lawyer. You asked for the prosecutor, and
right,
he is not the lawyer.
I'm using the wrong language. Why not?
Okay, bye. Yeah, I understand why she's upset. You just can't bring that attitude in the court. Judge Washington would have helped you. Take a breath. All right. Next one's another Judge Washington clip. Let's go.
Mariah Donnell for the court, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And Your Honor,
Go ahead.
I will start. As to the pretrial and the matter 24/7/17, we're requesting a final settlement jury selection dates in this case.
Thank you.
No problem. And Ms. Malika, I did get your email. I will reach out and let you know if I get the information about the video.
Thank you.
All right. The final settlement conference in this case will be on May 30th, 2024 at 11 a.m. That's via Zoom. And then jury selection will be on June 7th. And that'll be at 8:30 a.m. in person.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
And then as to your matters, Ms. Jordan.
Yes, Your Honor. So for Ms. Donnell's driving while license suspended, if we could get
No, you good, you good. I was about to go that way, but I'm like, I need to go to the.
Ms. Donnell.
excuse me. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm at work right now. I'm so sorry.
Yes, Your Honor. Apologize for that, Your Honor.
Does anyone else think it's funny when defendants use that as an excuse? Judges at work, the defense attorneys at work, prosecutors at work, everyone's at work, except maybe the guy in the jail. He's not at work. Yeah, but yeah, it's weird excuse. Not a good excuse to use in court.
Ms. Donnell would like to know the cases that are holding her license so that she could check into that. And for the no proof of insurance.
These are all show causes.
Oh, these are.
Right.
That's what I was under the impression of. Okay, yes, Your Honor. My apologies. She has not been able to make a payment at the moment.
Oh, wait, let me make sure about that.
I believe I believe these are 4 fines.
It may be, it may say that, but I'm not sure. I don't see where she pled. 1 second. Yeah, 22W4171. I don't see a plea.
Yeah, I don't think she pled to it either.
All right, while we have some dead time, hit that like button. It really helps the channel out.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you haven't. That helps out too.
I think she's correct. Let us run her record to see what she needs to do to get that taken care of.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Donnell, she's going to give you the information. Remember, we spoke about this. You need to write it down.
Okay, let me get my notes out. Okay, I'm ready.
1 moment, please. We gotta run your record, is what I said.
Entitlement's about to come out. Don't worry. Just wait. I'm not going to say it's about to go down because it's not crazy exciting, but it's kind of funny. It reminds me of the no points lady. Remember the no points lady from a week or so ago? I was just wondering if there was a way I can get no points. But is there a way that I can get no points? How do I do something to get no points? Yeah, that lady. Oh, now we're counting money? All right. I missed that part.
Thank you.
And she has those nails too.
So she has a May 30th, 2020 violation for driving while license suspended. It might be this ticket. 1 second. That has her license suspended for 20 S0055501.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah, it's she has the case. One of the cases she has on today has her license suspended. The 20S 00501 has her license suspended, and '36 District Court has her license suspended for a speeding ticket from January 25th, 2021. The 23rd District Court in Taylor has her license suspended. That one is for limited access speeding in Taylor. She has another one suspended from here in the 14B District Court. That one is the 21W 1738C for no proof of insurance.
See what's happening? She doesn't like paying her tickets. She got all these tickets from 3 years ago and not paying them. So got your license suspended. Pay your tickets.
She has another one out of the 35th District Court for operating while intoxicated. That's from July 1st of 2022. And then she has another one out of the 34th District Court, which is Romulus. And that appears for driving while license suspended. Yeah, so.
Somebody needs to queue up the Judge Middleton. Stop driving.
Those are the things that has her suspended. And they have her on a registration denial. So she probably needs to reach out to the Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, for that. So at this moment, could we adjourn these cases so that she can reach out to the Secretary of State and see what her options will be?
Excuse me. I've already reached out to Secretary of State. They don't give me any options. They said that I can pay for another list of my driving record, but they don't give me any options. I guess except to pay the tickets that need to be paid and the ones I need to go to court for. Is there a way I could possibly, like, I don't know, get like some of them taken off or like get them dismissed in a way? Because they're like getting older now. You said some of them were in 2021 or 2022 or 2020. Can I just get like those?
Look at that stare. Look at that stare from Judge Washington. Oh, so you think you could just ignore him for 3 years and we're just going to drop him? You're right. You somehow managed to go 3 years without paying these. We're just going to dismiss him. It doesn't work that way.
Was dismissed because it's in 2024.
Some of them are out of other courts. You may need to contact them. We can speak after court.
I was
If you
just
could
trying to
call
get
the
some help now because this is like the third time I've gone to court about this and I haven't gotten any help. Like, I don't know.
Ms. Darnell.
Do I just pay the tickets or?
Ms. Darnell, there is no just get the tickets dismissed, ma'am. You have a payment plan to pay on your tickets and you haven't been doing so.
I don't have I'm sorry, Your Honor. I don't have a payment plan for all of them. I think I only have a payment plan for the 36th district. That'd be the only one. Any other?
You were just here on March 5th. At that time, you set up a payment plan for you to pay on the 15th of each month, $50.
I did. You're right. Yep. Okay, so that's the second one.
No,
those are the only two payment plans I have.
That's all of those. These are all the ones that are here in this court, ma'am. That is your payment plan.
Oh, so the $100 a month, it will go towards all of them? Or the $50 a month?
Yes.
Towards the one here at 14B.
She's got more than one. She's got a total of 3 here in 14B.
14.
So it will go to, could you tell me the balance on all of those together?
Ma'am, you can call the clerks and they can tell you all of that.
Okay.
All right, so what is your request at this time, Ms. Jordan, again, please?
And an adjournment, Your Honor, please. And so Ms. Donnell can get paying on her tickets with our court, as well as contact the other courts that you just mentioned and start paying on those tickets.
June 11th, 2024 at 10 o'clock a.m. Nope, I'm gonna make it 9 a.m. because some of these are pre-trials. She's gonna have 2 different dates. She's gonna have her 3 dates. She's got the May 30th, the June 7th. You know what? I'm just gonna put them all over the May 30th. I think that makes more sense given where we are. May 30th, 2024 at 9 a.m. 10 a.m. What? Okay, sorry. That's 11 a.m. She's on for final settlement conference. So I'll see you on May 30th at 11 a.m.
All right, that's it. That's all I got. I will see you guys later tonight or this afternoon. I don't know. I will be going live tonight. I'm not taking Saturday off as usual, but I might throw a random live in the middle of the afternoon. I don't know. I don't know yet. Anyways, until next time. Bye.
Hopefully
Thank
she
you.
makes some payments on some of these. If she starts making payments, we can talk about trying to get those suspensions lifted, but not until I see some progress.